In this video, I'll show you how to remove or change the "You may like" section from your TikTok suggestions. If you're seeing search suggestions or accounts in that area, there are a few simple steps we can follow to refresh and update the page. First, try clicking the refresh icon next to the "You may like" section. Most of the time, this will instantly update your suggestions. If nothing changes, go to your TikTok profile, then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Activity Center and tap on it. Next, choose Search History, then tap Select in the top right corner. Select All History, then tap Delete All, and confirm the deletion. Once that's done, go back to the previous settings page and select Notifications. Scroll down until you find Personalize Post Suggestions and make sure both options there are turned off. After that, check your suggestions to see if they've updated. If you're still seeing the same results, scroll to the very bottom of the page and tap Help Us Improve. Then choose Suggested Searches Are Not Interesting or Not Personalized and select the accounts you don't want to see anymore. Finally, tap Submit. To finish up, completely close the TikTok app, then open it again and tap on the search bar to check the changes. If it still hasn't updated right away, try logging out and then logging back into your account. It's really that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.